How to record a voiceover in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by launching CapCut, then click on this little microphone icon here. This is going to open up this voiceover window. Here you can select your input device. If you click into this drop down, it will see the microphones that you can use. I only have one in mind at the moment. Here you can also select the volume of which you want to record at. You can then also reduce echo, mute your current project, and enhance your voice. If you're recording in a particularly echoey environment, I recommend switching this on. If you already have a pre-existing project with music or other audio, I recommend muting your project just so that audio doesn't record into your voiceover. And finally, if you're not recording with a professional mic, you may want to click Enhance Voice. This is going to remove any echoes, popping, noise, etc. from your audio. With all of that set, we can go ahead and click on the record button up here. It's going to give you a 3-second countdown timer and then it will start recording. You should be able to see waveforms here as you are recording, as I can see my voice there as I am talking. And once you are finished and you want to stop the voiceover, you just have to click on this stop button right here. And then this is going to put this voiceover into your project. You can then click out of this voiceover menu. And now when you come into your project, you can see the voiceover that we just recorded there right in our project. And that's all there is to it.